Hi, my name is John Gray, and I am with Forté, and I am part of the broadcast group here. So today we're showing an NDI confidence monitor on this teleprompter. What's interesting about this is that it does NDI and power over Ethernet on a single cable. This is a brand new product from the iKAN group that we are selling exclusively. And again, one cable, which makes it very easy to install and very easy to use. If you follow around the back of this prompter, what you'll see is a broadcast light, and this light is also power over Ethernet, so we can do control and power over a single cable. What's interesting about this is it's low power and low voltage, and so you don't need permits and you don't need electricians to install great quality lightings in your studio. This entire setup is a turnkey broadcast solution from iKAN, and it includes a motorized pedestal, a box for your camera. We have a PTZ in here from Canon. And it also has a pedestal and a dolly down there, and we've got a teleprompter and a confidence monitor. Please feel free to reach out to us. Our website is www.rforte.com.